Okay, we have the Perlin noise chart. We have several variables up here: offsets, the x and the y offset, which will be changed further on, the minimum column and the maximum column top. So that's this point to this point. It's just given the spacings. Here you got two variables here: previous x and y. That'll be explained later on. Okay, we have frame rate, we have text aligning, and we have the create canvas. Set the background color to nothing, black. Setting the text size 42, so I like the size 42. We have the text here, positioning it, and then we're reducing its height. Text size, we're resetting the text size. This is for these, the numeric values. Clearing everything, we're then translating by 15. Now that is to give us this little margin here. Now without that, that would be riding up and down the 0 there, and half the numbers be missing. Now we've got the x offset by 0 and the previous x equals in 0 in the draw function. Now we've got a loop, and we're saying, basically we're saying create the first object here. Right, then we're saying connect the vertex, and we're passing the y variable into it. We're passing x and y, but first of all we're doing build. So to get the value here, we're going build x and y. So build x and y is if vertex equals 0, vertex 0, y. Else, so basically, if the vertex is 0, do that. If the vertex is greater than 0, we're doing the previous x and the previous y there, and then we're creating the vertex x and y and creating a stroke. Then back in here, we're going connect vertex. We're doing x and y. So connect vertex, taking the x and y. We're then drawing a line between the no stroke, filling it, and then we put in a rectangle there. So those are each individual rectangles that we're drawing. And then I'm giving the text to it. Okay, then we're incrementing the offset. We're then setting them to the global variables, and after this whole loop has finished, we're then calling bottom top. Fill bottom, sorry, don't know where I got bottom top from. That after all that we're calling fill bottom. Fill bottom comes all the way down here, and it increments the y offset by 0.01. And then we get the previous x and the height. It sets the bottom right corner. The vertex sets the bottom left hand corner, and then it builds this huge, big, massive green blob, which is basically creating one big rectangle, but it's got several points along the top of the rectangle that move to fill it in to give you this green effect. If we were to get rid of that, we just have a load of columns going up and down, up and down, up and down, which isn't what you asked for. So that is what I've done. Thank you very much.